Alright, so Fantom has one last chance to turn itself around here. You can see that we've broken bearish out of what is normally a bullish pennant pattern on the daily chart, which usually isn't a good sign, but we do have this green box of relatively strong support below us, which has been marked by these lows and highs. If you look over here, you can see that we've only tested it once since we flipped this support from resistance. And from that test, we saw a decent gain of about 300%. We can also see that the 786 level on the fib retracement lines up relatively well with this green box, offering another level of support. If we look at the Fantom Bitcoin pair, we can see something very similar. Right now it's headed into this green box of support. If we don't find resistance here and break back to the upside, it's pretty likely that we'll drop down to this other green box that I have marked here with these previous highs. This one is indicated by these previous lows here where we saw a decent reaction to the upside both times. I'd be very surprised if we broke below this green box right here because our RSI is so low on the daily, coupled with the fact that we've only really tested this zone twice, but there is still the possibility that we come into this box, consolidate, and then move down to this box before moving back upwards. In my opinion on Fantom, I think we will come down into this green box, see a V bottom, come back up into this pennant pattern, and continue this bullish formation. If Fantom can't keep this green box as support, there's a very high likelihood that we're just going to keep going down. There's also been some news lately of the developers of Fantom leaving, I guess the two head developers of Fantom. In my opinion, I don't believe that's really going to affect the price much, mainly because fundamentals only really affect the price for a short amount of time, whereas the technicals can kind of paint a bigger picture. But that also comes with stipulations, right? So if the coin is just a piece of junk, it's going to go to zero at some point, especially if the whole entire project gets pulled. So this is all I have for Fantom today. This is not financial advice, and happy trading.